I don't know who it is.
That was just heavy. He's probably the most.
What are you doing, buddy? I'm down here. Oh my god, I'm fighting the same build as last time.
That carry champions.
Okay, now he's like really low. What's he doing climbing up there? He's running away from me! Someone clipped him. And shortly after, many minutes passing by of him running around in a circle around the top of the base of this arena, we finally continued the fight.
Some type of build is gonna be so nice. I'm gonna get lightning clone so I can play defense between myself.
You say that about every build you make, though.
I make builds, but I can't really be asked to fuck them. I'm fucking this one right now. I'm fucking it right now with someone here.
Fucking suck it! Teal's Alliance sucks! Sucks! You suck, idiot! And so that was the video, guys. Not only did he have to Warrior Respite, Condition Runner, or Flame Wisp, or any of the circles of that way of life to heal himself all the way up. That's the summary of Teal's Alliance! Non-chime!